What's up, Curlies? It's your girl Talise, aka Curly Tails, and I'm back here with another video. And today, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be unboxing my sister's June 2020 BoxyCharm box, and it's their base box. And if you guys don't know what BoxyCharm is, it's a $25 monthly subscription box, and you get beauty, makeup, skincare, and hair products. And they do have other boxes. I'm not too familiar with those, but they have a Boxy Premium and a Boxy Luxe, and they are more expensive. If you want to know more about those boxes, you should definitely subscribe to my girls Alikay Naturals and Gigi Loves Beauty too. I'm going to leave the links to their channels down below in the description, and make sure you check them out if you haven't seen them already. Before we get started with this video, I just want to say welcome back to all my subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, welcome, and make sure you hit the subscribe button right below this video, and also make sure you ring that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I'll subscribe back. Alright, let's get started. My sister did already look inside this box, and she was very happy with what she received, and she told me that I was going to like it too. I didn't look at anything that she got, so it's going to be a complete surprise to me, but I'm very excited to see what's inside because she already told me she was giving a couple of the products to me.
My sister gets me way too lit.
Alright, this is what the inside of the box looks like. There is a card in here, and this is what it looks like. It says the Oasis, and I have variation 70. The first product on the card is the Zoeva eyeshadow palette, and it says it offers a range of highly pigmented and easy to blend eyeshadow shades in tempting hues for ultra glamorous makeup looks. These eyeshadows feature a formulation enriched with vitamin E, and the original price is $28. This is what the palette looks like, and it came in this really pretty packaging. It's gold, and it kind of looks like tiles or crossword pieces or like empty ones.
Okay.
This palette doesn't have a mirror, but on the inside it says, "When the roots are deep, there is no reason to fear the wind." So I feel like that's a really cool saying. And these are the shades. They are so pretty, and a lot of them are sparkly, which I love. I feel like my sister was happy to get a palette. She's been getting a palette in every single one of her boxes, so she's been really lucky. I only did 2 boxes, and I only got 1 palette out of those. So she's done 3 so far, and she's 3 for 3 at this point, so she's really lucky. The next product is the Touch in Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. It says it's an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. And it says its original price is $32. This is what the product looks like. It came in some really pretty pink and like iridescent packaging, and it says glass. It says glassy? I think it says glassy. It says Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm, and it says glassy on the package. And even the top of the packaging is really cute. And this is what the actual product looks like. It just keeps getting cuter and cuter. This is a really cute product, but I don't think me or my sister are going to use this. We both have oily skin, so using like a glassy, glowy primer is not going to work for either one of us. So she's probably going to end up giving this to one of our friends, or I'm going to put it in a giveaway. The next product is the Benefit Cosmetics The Porefessional Face Primer. It says quickly minimize the appearance of pores and fine lines for smoother than smooth skin. Apply this silky lightweight balm alone, under or over makeup. The translucent formula contains a vitamin E derivative known to protect skin from free radicals, and the original price is $32. This is what the product looks like, and I know my sister was excited about this product. She was really excited when I got it in one of my boxes. This is her favorite primer. I didn't even know this was her favorite primer until I got it in my box, and I didn't want it, and I was like, "Do you want this?" I was like, "What is this? Do you want it?" And she was so excited because, as you guys heard, this is very expensive. This is 0.75 fluid ounces, and this is $32. So she normally gets the smaller size, but now she has another full-size product, so that's really awesome.
Bang, 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 bang.
Ready? Start. Bam! 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 Hey!
The next product is the Libido Age Away Replenishing Cream. It says it's made with 11 innovative organic plant actives. This anti-aging solution is clinically proven to diminish the appearance of dryness, wrinkles, and rough texture while it deeply nourishes mature skin. The original price is $69, which is crazy. The packaging for this product says it has extracts from 11 pure plants and it is inspired by nature, and it features grapefruit seed, melissa, and avocado. And it says it's supposed to firm, hydrate, and repair. And it's 50 milliliters or 1.69 fluid ounces. And this is what it looks like. Now, I wouldn't say that I have mature skin, but I'm wondering if this will be helpful for my dark marks from my acne scars, because if this can help with that, I would love it so much. This product says it has no mineral oil, no petroleum, no silicones, no propylene glycol, no parabens, no animal testing, no synthetic dyes, no synthetic alcohol, no phenoxyethanol, no PEG, no SLS.
Oh my God!
Yes, it's herbally effective. Yes, there's organic ingredients. Yes, it's recyclable. Yes, it uses essential oils. Yes, it uses cold press oils. Yes, it's vegan friendly. Yes, it's gluten free. And yes, it's cruelty free. So this really does sound like an amazing product.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
This is what it actually looks like. I don't know if you guys can see that. I think is it upside down? Yeah, it was upside down. So I'm hoping my sister lets me keep this product. She doesn't try a lot of new things on her skin, so I'm thinking there's a good chance I'll get to have this. And the last product is the Beauty Vault Circadian Lip Liner Trio. It says our lip liners are buttery smooth, which glides on and blends easily. They are richly pigmented and long wearing. And their original price is $18. This is what the packaging for the lip liner looks like, and I'm guessing that those three are the colors. It says their names are Cozy Kira, Bo Babe, and Natty Nat. This is what they look like, and these are the colors. I really like these colors. I think they're gonna look really cute on me if my sister lets me have these, which I have a feeling that she will, because she doesn't wear a lot of lipsticks, and neither do I really, but I wear more lipstick than she does. So she was right, I did really like this box. The only thing that wouldn't work for us is that glassy skin balm. Everything else I love, and I want to try that palette. I'm really excited to try that replenishing cream and those lip liners, and I'm happy that she got the primer that she loves. So shout out to BoxyCharm, and I'll be back next month with another unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see. Thank you for watching.